This Craftsman 41 inches wide 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet utilizes solid double wall, all-steel Craftsman I-Frame construction. Each drawer can support 100 pounds and features heavy-duty soft close drawer slides that gently pull themselves shut without slamming. The 5 inches by 2 inches casters support 1,500 pounds and provide easy transport. A keyed locking system safeguards the contents of the rolling tool chest. Proudly made in the USA with global materials in Sedalia, Missouri. The 2000 series 41 inches wide 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet utilizes an all-steel I-frame double-wall construction. Each drawer can support 100 pounds and features heavy-duty soft close drawer slides that gently pull themselves shut without slamming. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 18 to 20 gauge double wall I-frame. Construction is built to last. Number 2. 100 pounds ball bearing drawers with soft close latching will not slam closed. Number 3. 1,500 pounds load rating with 5 inches by 2 inches casters and reinforced mounting casters. Number 4. Craftsman embossed mats protect surfaces under the lid and on top of the cabinet. Number 5. Made in the USA with global materials. Number 6. 10-year limited warranty. Refer to warranty and support section below for full details. Number 7. Includes magnetic towel holder and drawer liner, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What is the height without the wheels? Answer: 32.06 inches high. Question number 2. Does it come assembled? Answer: for the tool cabinet, assembly of the caster wheels and handle are required. Question number 3. Do all the drawers lock? Answer: yes. Keyed internal locking system safeguards your tools. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.